Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale Coursera Incorporated easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin scaling Coursera Incorporated, focus on understanding the target audience. Conduct thorough market research to identify potential learners and their needs. Analyze existing competitors to pinpoint gaps in their offerings. Develop a clear value proposition that distinguishes Coursera from other platforms. Enhance the course catalog by partnering with top universities and institutions. Incorporate diverse subjects that cater to various skill levels and interests. Utilize data analytics to determine which courses are most popular. Optimize content delivery through mobile and offline access options. Implement a recommendation system to personalize learning experiences for users. Invest in marketing strategies to reach potential learners effectively. Leverage social media platforms to create engaging content and promote courses. Offer free trials or introductory courses to attract new users. Develop a robust community feature to foster interaction among learners. Encourage user-generated content and reviews to build credibility. Track user engagement metrics to continuously improve course offerings. Train instructors to enhance the quality of course content and delivery. Create partnerships with businesses for workforce skills training programs. Implement gamification elements to enhance user motivation and retention. Explore international markets by localizing content for different languages. Track industry trends to ensure the platform remains relevant and competitive. Foster a culture of continuous improvement within the organization. Regularly solicit feedback from users to refine the learning experience. Establish a referral program to incentivize current users to bring in new learners. Monitor financial performance to ensure sustainable growth. Adapt strategies based on market changes and user behaviors. Maintain strong customer support to assist learners throughout their journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.